The law of attraction is a powerful principle that suggests that we have the ability to attract into our lives whatever we focus on. It is based on the idea that our thoughts and emotions create a vibrational energy that resonates with similar energies in the universe. In simpler terms, like attracts like. Imagine your mind is a magnet that attracts things that are in alignment with your thoughts and feelings. If you consistently think positive thoughts and visualize what you desire, you send out a positive energy that can bring those desires into reality. On the other hand, if you constantly dwell on negative thoughts and worries, you might attract more of those negative experiences. The law of attraction encourages us to be conscious of our thoughts, beliefs, and emotions because they play a significant role in shaping our experiences. By focusing on what we want, rather than what we don't want, we can shift our energy and attract more positive outcomes. To make the law of attraction work, it's important to combine positive thinking with inspired action. It's not just about daydreaming and waiting for things to magically appear. Taking steps towards our goals and being open to opportunities are essential in the process. Ultimately, the law of attraction empowers us to become deliberate creators of our lives. By aligning our thoughts, emotions, and actions with what we want to attract, we can manifest our dreams, improve our relationships, achieve success, and experience overall well-being. It's about tapping into the power of our mind and embracing the belief that we have the ability to shape our reality.